I welcome you all to today's session. I hope all of you are doing perfect at your places. Today's topic is famous autobiographies. तो ये जो autobiographies हैं, ये जिन लोगों के ऊपर हैं, उन्होंने ही खुद अपने बारे में लिखी है, and hence these are known as autobiographies. अपनी ही जीवनी इन्होंने लिख दी. An autobiography is a book about the life of a person written by that person only. तो मैं अगर अपनी life के बारे में खुद ही लिखूंगी तो it will be called as an autobiography. Use the picture clues given on the autobiographies to write the name of the persons who have written them to recount their life's story. Number 1, Wings of Fire, and this was an autobiography of Abdul Kalam. Second, Long Walk to Freedom, and this was by Nelson Mandela. Number 3, The Diary of a Young Girl, and this was of Annie Frank. Number 4, I Know Why the Caged Bird Sings by Maya Angelou. Then we have 5th, Dreams from My Father, and this was by Barack Obama. 6th is Open an Autobiography, and this was by Andre Agassi. 7th, The Story of My Life by Helen Keller. And lastly, 8th, My Experiments with Truth, and this was written by Mahatma Gandhi about his own experiments that he had with the truths. So, ये सारे आपके अलग अलग एमिनेंट पर्सनालिटीज़ थी. ऑटोबायोग्राफी इन्होंने अपनी ही स्टोरीज़ के बारे में लिखी, अपनी ही लाइफ के बारे में लिखी, एंड हेंस दीज आर नोन एज ऑटोबायोग्राफीज. Wonder facts. Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, wrote his autobiography in prison in 1936. It is called an autobiography or Toward Freedom. तो जवाहरलाल नेहरू ने 1936 में जेल में बैठे बैठे अपनी ऑटोबायोग्राफी लिखी थी, और उसका नाम क्या है? या तो एन ऑटोबायोग्राफी और इट इज़ रेफर टू एज टूवर्ड फ्रीडम. So students, with this we come to the end of this chapter. इस chapter में जितनी भी autobiographies हमने पढ़ी, उनकी book का नाम और उनके biographers के नाम आपको याद रहने चाहिए. And you can also read the books if you want to. It is a very good habit. Do memorize them, revise them and practice them.